Do you have an exhaust fan in the ensuite or any of the bathrooms that make that sound? It is absolutely annoying. It keeps you awake at night, mostly when it's windy. I want to show you how to fix it. All you're going to need is some scissors, screwdriver, and some seal you can get from Bunnings. I've got this one here, and this one is, 5 meters in length, and it is 6 millimeter in thickness. Now, unless you're really tall, of course, you're going to need a step ladder as well. And first thing to do is you just take that cover off. So it's very simple. It just clicks off like that. Very simple. And you're looking for these marks here. There's one there, not marks, little tag things that keeps it all in place, and there'll be one there. There's 3 of them. What we're going to do is get a screwdriver and just move them around. Okay, so like this. See that there? Moves it there. Now, this whole thing will then drop out. You'll see up in there the insulation, depending on how well they've done it. That just comes off, and then just take that off. It goes up into the ceiling, like so. And you'll see the cord here. Now, it's very easy. We follow this cord up. You see it's just plugged into a power point there. So I just unplug that. So this is what we've just pulled down with the cord here. I'm going to flip this over. Sorry, I'm going to flip it so that you see this part here. That there. This is the beast. This is the section that keeps you up at night. That. The wind is sucking up through the airspace in your roof, and it's making that fall and hitting that. And although it doesn't sound much now, at night time, in the middle of the night, when you hear it going non-stop, it drives you mad. So what we want to try and do is put some of that seal rubber along here and here where it hits, here, sorry, just there. So I'm not taking any chances. I've cut off some pieces about this long, about 1.5 inches or whatever that is, 8 centimeters, doesn't really matter, to then place on that. So I've peeled the white backing off, and I'm going to first attach this to here. I'll need to turn the video up for this. I've got this one on there still, but I wasn't overly happy with this here. So what I've done is I've taken this little one off, which is what is provided with the contraption, with the fan. I'm going to put 2 layers of sealant along there. Okay, so yeah, I've gone for 2 layers on there. 1, 2. Got the bit of this seal felt on this thing here. And then now, when I push that, hardly makes any noise at all. Okay, so I've connected the power back up. Quite often the power in there is movable. I was able to bring that down and plug it in here rather than trying to look up there. So bring that down. And then with the silver piping at the back, you can take that if you want. I just clipped mine back on again, depending on how the tradies have done it before. And all we've done here is push this back around with my hand if you want to. So they all clip in, it clips and seals the plaster. Now we just put the cover on and we're done. So it's all done. It's still windy outside. Let's see if we can hear it. I can hear it just. The reason why I know it works is because I did it on this one in our ensuite, which was keeping us awake at night, and you can hear that one a little bit. But it's, oh gee, not really, it's really faint. So I know it works, makes life a lot easier. Anyway, hopefully that was helpful.